Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Just the video of the Gujarati Deobandi Imam running into Tommy Robinson and stating that the Kashmiris like myself, people of Kashmiri descent, have radicalized Tommy Robinson. I would like to say the following, that irrelevant to whether he was a Deobandi or not, there are many people from all the groups who will espouse similar type of responses. We have Qari Asim, for instance, from Leeds, and you have many others, people calling for a two-state solution, sending out documents, validating a two-state solution. So this transcends any sect, even though there is an onus on all the sects or schools within themselves to refute such people. And of course, when it comes to cross-sect firing, they are more vocal and more loud with regard to refuting people from other sects. But when it comes to this issue of Palestine, they have utilized soft language. But to specify the Kashmiri Pakistani community for having radicalized Tommy Robinson is something that is totally untrue. Tommy Robinson despises Islam, despises the Quran, despises the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And of course, this Gujarati Imam, he wrote an apology. It's not sufficient. You need to come out, make a video, and apologize, and also correct your positions. And of course, the Zionists are loving your positions. I wonder how many other people espouse those views in secret, but this is something that he must make amends for. Assalamu alaikum.